got the 2J non-VVTi. It's gonna be a mess taking it out of the skid, but I'm glad it's over here already. Alright, so what I'm doing now is removing the transmission, the automatic transmission off the engine. And in order to do so, I gotta turn over the crank and take the bolts. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's bolts over there holding the torque converter. So I have to remove those bolts. Every time I remove a bolt, I have to do counterclockwise to remove it. And then once I do that, I gotta take out the bell housing out of the bolts, and the transmission should slide out. I already went ahead and unplugged the harnesses for the transmission and took out all the sensors. So we're gonna go ahead now and remove those. We got the 2J non-VVTi twin turbo. I got the stock intercooler for the Supra and the rear sump oil pan, and this side as well. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the flywheel and put the manual flywheel on with the clutch and the W58. I also noticed that the Aristo, after some searching around on the web, notice that this water pump is electric, and the Supra is clutch. It's a clutch fan. What's up, guys? So I'm removing the front sump. I already took off the oil pan, and now I have to take the assembly, the pickup lines, so I'm able to get to the bolts. And yeah, it's progress. We got the JZ on the lift. And let's go ahead and take off the rear sump assembly now. Alright, so I went ahead and took off the rear sump assembly already. And looks really good. We're gonna go ahead and deep clean the rear sump assembly. Use the Toyota OEM gasket and put the rear sump, and we should be good to go. Well, I already installed the flywheel. I torqued it to 36 foot-pounds of torque, and noticed that when you're doing the auto to manual conversion, you do need a pilot bearing. So I went to the Toyota dealer and I was able to obtain this for about $9. And we're gonna be installing that. Then we have to put the clutch and the pressure plate and torque that, and we should be okay. So as you guys see, the 2J is coming along. Got a few things going on here, the drive shaft and the diff. And let's go ahead and install the bearing now, and I'll show you guys the bearing now installed. Pilot bearings is installed, and we're gonna go ahead and put the clutch in now. It took about 5 minutes to get that in there. I used a 22mm socket in order to center the silver ring, the outer ring, so it can go in there flush. It's a little tedious, but it works. Make sure you do not grease it up before you put it in there. You're not supposed to grease the pilot bearing.